Okay, quick bonus thing. This is what I do very often, and this is I think, really wonderful project. If I was doing this for myself and spending a bunch of time, I would clean up this. You know what? Yeah, you know what? We're just going to clean up this corner real quick. So edit, sample 2, segmentation. Let's go from the right. We're just going to clean up the corner, and honestly, this stuff above as well. Okay. Same on this side. P basically deletes it and makes it into its own object. And then we will limit box because I don't want to delete the ground. Oops, should have made that bigger. You zoom out, it's like automatic. The scale, you know how zoomed in you are to the project. Okay. Okay, and then we go to the top view.
So I'm going to set that timer for 40 minutes.
You know what, that's probably the base, but whatever, that's fine. This isn't too particular. Essentially what I'm doing is cleaning up these corners because we're going to create a mesh, and the corners will be vastly improved. Just a little bit of time cleaning up the noise on these corners. Let's see, close the limit box, close that, delete everything, come back to sample 2. What are we at? 700,000 points, okay. So then we go to surfaces, and we're going to create a mesh, and we'll do very little mesh editing after, if any at all. No projection because it's not any of these. Plane based, actually, yeah, see, no, I think plane based actually, yeah, see, Z. What is fit? I don't remember. Yeah, see, I've not gone into this very much, and maybe it's better. Perpendicular to screen, 3 points. Yeah, so I think plane is a genuinely single plane, and it tries to find like a terrain or something. So don't worry about that. I just do no projection. We'll do lightweight, low detail. That'll be plenty for this. And I should have done not display points. This should be a pretty quick one. It's got a little bit of stuff going on here, but a lot of this is going to be really quick. Relative, sometimes this can take a while. This is about as complex as a mesh as I would try. Looking back, I probably should have deleted a little bit from the bottom and maybe some noise in here to simplify it. Let's see. 37,000, that's pretty reasonable. Look at that, we're pretty good. I'll probably delete some of this stuff. Let's see, go to create, close, and then we're going to go to mesh edit. And we'll just delete some of this stuff in the middle. I think that's fine. I think 30,000 is the happy number that it likes. Look, I mean, that's probably pretty dang close. I bet you if you measure this face to, the edge of where these triangles are, I bet you that's pretty damn close to reality. Like, good enough for fabrication, because I bet you they're going to have a half-inch, total clearance all the way around, and then just caulk a quarter-inch all the way around, whatever they end up doing. The point is, and you can color this. I've not really ever done it. I never need to. But now you can do two things. If you want, in theory, you could export this, and I do sometimes, as an IFC file, and then create a native part in, I do Tekla structures, but even in Revit or something, and sometimes that's useful. most of the time just DWG is best. I also will do, is it LAS? Something that they like, but I think DWG should be fine for using Fusion. Is it LAS? I don't remember what it was. I'm just going to do DWG for now. Inches is what we're in. I think that's good. Yeah, and see, under 30,000, it doesn't complain about the number of triangles. Yeah, only 1.2 megabytes. It's tiny. So it's a super, super simple mesh. Just be able to see it and visualize it if you don't have access to point clouds.